Hello, today I'm going to be going over Mars Rover Opportunity coordinate graphing. Now remember, the Opportunity Rover is one of the more recent robotic rovers that we've sent to Mars, and it was able to move across the Martian landscape, investigating the surface, taking images, and one of the places that it went to was Victoria Crater. And Victoria Crater, it's not huge, but it's large enough. It's about 800 meters across or so. And Opportunity spent several months exploring the rim of the crater, going down into the crater a little bit to look at the exposed rock so that it could get some information about the geology of Mars. What we've got down here at the bottom is a couple of graphs. A couple data tables. And we're going to take these data tables and we're going to trace out the path that Opportunity took while it was investigating the crater. So let's get started with that. I have a blown up image of that crater here, a Victoria Crater, with a grid over it. So first thing we need to do, this is different than what we've done in the past. For our x coordinates, so we're going across this way, that's our x coordinate, we're going to start at 0 and just increase by ones. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now we don't have to go all the way across because the path you'll see in a moment only traversed so far. It didn't go all the way through the crater and all the way around the crater. For our y-axis, so this is our x here, and our y-axis, we're also starting at 0, going by ones. And same thing, we don't have to go all the way down the page for this. We're going to go to 20. And that will be enough to show us the route that Opportunity took exploring the crater. So again, this is our y-axis here. Now, if we look at the data table, we'll see that there's x, y coordinates. So remember, this first number is the x coordinate and the second number is the y coordinate. And then it says sol, day. These are just the days that were used to track how long Opportunity was there. So just think of these as days. So this was day 940 of its journey, of its mission. And we go from day 940 to day 1150. So it spent a long time doing this. You have to remember, the rovers on Mars move very slow, intentionally, because they have to send back information from Mars to Earth, and that takes time. So there's not a lot of movement in any one day. Okay, so let's start graphing this. Sol, day 940, we've got x1, y12. So x1, y12, and I'm going to put a dot right there. Now what I also want you to do is tell me what day that was. So 940 was the day. So I'm going to write in 940. Go to the next one, 943. I've got 2 and 13. So 2 and 13 is right about there. And that was 943, day 943. We'll do a few more. 945 was 4 and 14. So 4 and 14 is here. I'll put the day. And try and keep these numbers small, because what you're going to find is that the path, those points will get somewhat close together. So you want to keep these numbers small. We'll do one more. Let's do the fourth one. Let's do 950, which was 5 and 15. So 5 and 15 is right here. And that was 950. And eventually what you're going to do is once you finish all of these up, the two data tables, you're going to connect these dots. And you will have the actual path that Opportunity took in this exploration. All right, hope this helps. Thanks.